Hi beginners, I am your host Goldie from Oldie Goldie Recipes. So our today's recipe is very simple and every beginner can do this very nicely. This is potato gravy veg but without pasting any masala, any spice. Simple. You have to just put the ingredient inside this, then put the potatoes and your veg is ready. You can eat this veg with roti, naan, bread, pav, anything. So let's go and see. Very simple recipe and everybody likes it. So let's come to the kitchen and see the ingredients. I already put the pan on the gas. I open the gas, lit the gas, and now these are the ingredients. That is tomato, that is onion, this is carrots, this is green chili, garlic, cumin seeds, and green coriander, which I just crush by hands. And this is mustard seeds, asafoetida, turmeric, curry leaves, and this is little bit sugar, salt. So now we start our recipe. Very simple, immediate, and within 5 to 10 minutes this recipe prepare. I uh, take this mashed potatoes, only two mashed potatoes are here. So let us wait whether our oil is hot or not. Let's we see and check to put some mustard seeds inside it. Very simple recipe. Even you can, if you can add a little bit more water, then you can eat this potato gravy with your rice. Then you don't want to do any roti or don't want to bring the bread from outside or naan or roti. This is actually for students, but the person who is staying alone, he can also do this recipe nicely. So I put, again I put mustard seeds inside it, and let's see it. Now I sim the gas, add curry leaf, and I add very little bit this masala, uh, because I want to add red chili powder in this recipe. So I add very little bit. Add this onions. You have to cut the onions in very fine manner, or don't cut these onions in very um, big pieces or chunks. You have to cut it like in fine. Then I add this tomato, which is also cut in fine manner. Now I have to cook this well and add some uh, dried powders in it. First, I add salt according to the veg. Then this is turmeric powder. Then red chili powder, half a spoon, not more than that. As we add this masala, this crushed masala in this tempering. Now nice smell comes out. I add little bit coriander powder in it. If you have, then you can eat. If you don't have, you can skip this. Little bit coriander powder and roasted cumin seed powder also. I want to enhance the taste of my veg. That's why I add this roasted cumin seed powder in it. And now we have to mix it well. Our tempering is ready. Our potato is already cooked. So our veg is ready. Now I add water in it. Let's boil it and add this mashed potato inside this veg and let's boil the. After boiling, I will show this recipe to you. Our veg is ready. See how it thick. After some time when it gets cool, it is automatically thick. But if you want to more thick, then you have to crush or paste with your hands only 2 chunks of potato and then add in it. Now we garnish it. Very simple veg, already within 10 to 7 or 8 minutes, not more than that. Now what we do, we have to add some green coriander on this veg, and I have this fresh carrots I want to put on this. It looks nice and it gives nice taste to your curry. Thanks for watching my recipe patiently, and I always request you, and now I request you, prepare it, eat it, offer it, and give nice comments to your Goldie. If you like this recipe, then please share, subscribe, comment to my channel, and like also. Thank you very much to see my recipe nicely.